It's important for my potential Medicaid planning clients to understand that Medicaid is an umbrella term used for multiple programs. In a long-term care context, there are two primary Medicaid programs that our firm, Elder Needs Law PLLC, works with in Florida: ICP and the Medicaid Waiver, both for senior citizens age 65 or older or disabled. The Medicaid Waiver Program is also known as Home and Community Based Services, or SMMC-LTC. This video will discuss the differences between these two Medicaid long-term care programs. Number 1, the Medicaid Institutional Care Program, otherwise known as ICP. The ICP long-term care Medicaid program is for those who required skilled nursing, rehab, or nursing home level of care only. There is no wait list for this program, and approval will be granted in the same month the ICP applicant is financially qualified, medically qualified, and submits a Medicaid application. Once approved, the Medicaid recipient will pay their patient responsibility or share of cost, which is essentially all of their income less a $130 personal needs allowance. Medicaid will pay the entire difference for a semi-private room in any nursing home. All nursing homes must accept Medicaid in Florida, so this program can assist with the very best nursing homes throughout the state. If the Medicaid recipient is married to a non-Medicaid recipient, also known as the community spouse, that community spouse may be entitled to a portion of the Medicaid recipient's income as part of Medicaid's anti-spousal impoverishment policy. Number 2, Medicaid Waiver, also known as the Home and Community Based Services, or SMMC-LTC program. Statewide Medicaid Managed Care Long-Term Care, or SMMC-LTC, Florida Medicaid Waiver, and Home and Community Based Medicaid are all different names for the same Florida Medicaid program. This long-term care Medicaid program is for those who only require assisted living facility level of care or are able to reside at home and would benefit from some home health care. There is a wait list for this program. The Medicaid Waiver waitlist gives priority to those who need services the most, but the waitlist can be quite long. Part of our firm's service, if hired to do so, is coaching you on ethical ways to obtain a higher priority score to minimize the time on the Medicaid Waiver waitlist. Once approved, the Medicaid recipient keeps 100% of their income. In an ALF, Medicaid contributes approximately $1,200 to $1,300, although it could be less or more depending on the amount of care needed, toward the ALF bill. If receiving care at home, Medicaid will pay for approximately 20 to 25 hours of home health care. This amount is paid directly to a Medicaid-approved agency, and again, this all depends on the amount of care that is needed. There are other cash and health insurance benefits that come with being enrolled in either the Medicaid Waiver or institutional care programs, and I will put a link in the video notes to an article that will discuss those benefits further. This video is giving you just a brief overview of what we will discuss during a Medicaid planning consultation. The bulk of the consultation will discuss legal and ethical methods of qualifying you or your loved one for one of these Medicaid long-term care programs in a way that does not trigger the 5-year look-back period, so you can obtain the services needed with as little delay as possible.